Hey everyone, it's me, and today is Wednesday. So, I'm sorry, I'm really sick. I decided to do it in the morning. So, in Fort Pinata, there's a new horse out, and I'm so happy. I don't know what horse it is. I don't know what horse it is. Oh my god, it's so majestic. I need to buy it. But I promised Brooke I would. Oh my god. And left. I want to buy it, but I'm not going to for the safety of my star coins, and also because I promised Brooke I wouldn't do it, and I accidentally stopped recording. Yeah, but one day I will buy it, and yeah, I'm going to save up. I might be able to buy like two or more horses by the time she gets to her level. The time she's able to buy her horse. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below if you did. And sorry it's so short. I didn't buy it. And yeah, bye.